32 now. As much as it hurts to say this, summer is flying by.
I know. Can you believe it?
No.
You may think it's too late to book a vacation, but believe it or not, there's still plenty of time to plan something amazing.
Yes. So let's bring in travel expert Jennifer Donches. That's a tall order. You plan something amazing.
Yeah,
I know.
You say there's still time.
Yes, some people have procrastinated or maybe thought they weren't going to go on a vacation, but there are some deals. You just have to look a little bit and find the last minute ones. I love Apple Vacations. If you go to their website and you click on Square Deals, a lot of people want to know what a Square Deal is.
I've never heard of it.
Okay, so you pick your date, and from Philadelphia, you can get nonstop flights to Punta Cana or to the Dominican, or to Riviera Maya. But what a Square Deal is, you have your air, you know it's nonstop, you can pick your date, you just don't know the hotel. And they surprise you. Now you might think, oh, am I going to go to some,
some dive?
Yeah.
Right, but you can pick it according to rating. So you can go for like a 5 Apple Square Deal. And I randomly did this just the other day, and I found nonstop flights out of Philadelphia for the first weekend in August, 3 nights. It was $8.99 for an adults only. It was a 5 Apple Square Diamond.
Okay.
It was for 4 nights, $9.99, 7 nights, $11.99.
So it's what you pay if you booked it several months ago.
Right. Now, you might want to know the hotel. Some people do, right? That costs more. But I can tell you that what I love about Apple is even your travel agent can book this, but as you go through the process, you can pick a travel agent. And for my clients, when they ask me, like, what is this Square Deal? Where am I going to go? They can even text me or tweet me the moment they are leaving the airport in Philly, because that's when you find out what your hotel is.
Okay.
And I can send a note down, and they can research their hotel, and we can make sure that they're taken care of. If you go to like a 3, you never know, but the 5 or 6, all-inclusive, wonderful. The other thing I would suggest is Southwest. You know I love Southwest. Southwest has a button for last-minute deals, and their vacation portion adds the hotel in it. So now you want to go to Disney, you think it's too late, or Universal. I found a deal, nonstop flights to Orlando at the Nickelodeon Suites for a long weekend in August. And Nickelodeon is one of the Universal hotels. $733 per person for just 2 adults, children or lower. And you get the free transfers. But their last minute deals, that's a way, if you don't know where you want to go, that's a way to do the research.
Just see what they have available.
Right, right. And then also there's those wonderful last minute sites like Groupon, where you can drive someplace. You can look for Philadelphia, click on Philadelphia, and you can look in surrounding cities, because Groupon goes through most cities. I found some great hotels in New York. The Smith, $212 a night in New York City.
You can't beat that.
You can't beat that.
So are people driving?
People are driving, especially if it's last minute, and maybe they don't want to go to the shore. Maybe they want to do something in Washington, D.C. You see there's a hotel there.
Wow, and they look nice, too.
They are.
Groupon is changing the game, as the kids say. It really is.
Right. What Groupon you have to be careful of is you don't know if you're picking availability. You're picking a rate. So that's the only thing to be careful.
Wait, what?
You're picking a rate. So availability, you have to then go directly to the hotel. So they guarantee you like a code. Or a deal. But, you know, if a client calls a travel agent, we can tell you if it's a good thing, too. So that's
of course, you're a travel agent. So you're like, oh, wait a minute now, Groupon.
No, but we've used it in our office,
I didn't think about that. So there's a range where if you want a specific date.
Wait, so Groupon, you're buying the deal of $212 a night.
But then you have to find a place to use it.
No, it's at that hotel, but you don't know if the hotel has, you know, like the 3rd weekend in August available.
That makes sense. Thank you, Jennifer.
You are welcome.
Good job. 8:35.